Hi all of you. In this video I'm going to show you what is scope of variable, what is the scope of variable, and instead of using var I will be using some more stuff to you create a variable. So let's get start. So let me see what was my last file. My 31 is my last file. So let me create a folder, hash 32. Okay, has 32 dot html. Now it's time to install boilerplate first. Yeah, so here I will not write anything. uh, Here I'll write like script for adding our javascript. Okay, so uh, I want to show you that uh, like let me uh, let me zoom little bit. I think there is a I control number of lines editor. No, I want to zoom in. Okay, I want to zoom in. So zoom in level 3. I think 4 will be good. Yeah, so this is good. Now let me close it. So I just want to show you that like I create variable like where like let me write like anything like a is equal to 20. Okay, console dot log, as you all know what it is used for. A, it is used to print. Okay, so let me open my live server. Okay, let me open my live server. It is already open. Why? Let me open it. So as you can see that it is my output is 20, and let me refresh to remove this live reload enabled. So yeah, as you can see that my a is 20, which is fine. Okay, everything is going fine. So let me show you. If I make another variable, not another variable, I am just making another a, like a is equal to 66 colon console log, console dot log. Okay, a. So now tell me which value should be printed, like 20 or 66. So if you have guessed 66, I think you are let me save it. After that only I can tell it is right or not. As you can see that it is 20, but I haven't done refresh, so let me do refresh. You can see the value is now changed and it is now 66. Okay, so as you can see that my this value is overwritten. Okay, so it is only case in where. Okay, so let me remove only remove this. If I do like here, there is a term known as constant. Okay, so you can't change constant. If you can create a variable like using constant. So that is const. As you can see here, const a is equal to 0. Now guess what will be the value, 20 or 66. As I already told you, you can't change the constant. Const defines itself that it is constant. Okay, so let me show you here. If I do refresh, there is a error because you can't change constant variable. Okay, you can't change constant variable, it is constant. Okay, that is a beautiful GTR, as you all can see. Okay, so you can't change that. But there is also known as let. From now onwards I will be creating all the variables in my program using let, not var. Okay, so you can change let. Okay, let do works as var. Okay, so now if I do refresh, now you can see it is also overrated. But const will not change. Okay, so I just want to show you this stuff. Okay, and yeah, where is your global variable? Okay, it means you can use anywhere, inside loop, outside loop. What is loop, I will tell you in my next video. Okay, if else loop. So stay tuned to my channel. And where is global variable, but let is only like its scope is only for that loop, or you can say for that function. Okay, so that is the difference between this. So I will be using from now let. Okay, I will be creating like let element always like let is equal to a, and in inverted commas this is new, this is new method, you can say it is kind of a method. Okay, so if I'll print this, okay, you all know what will be printed. uh, a. Now it's time to save by pressing ctrl plus s. Now it's time to refresh. This is new method, I forgot to write new. Okay, so I think this is much for today. Let me write const as well, because I you all know that I always share the source code in my description. So that's why I have to make a variable like 66 again. That is my you can say favorite number, console dot log, and here I'll write like a, not a, b. Okay, so yeah, wait a minute, let me write a plus b. It works or not, I don't know, I think it works. Let me try it, a plus b. Now it's time to save. Now let me check, it is working. This is a new method 66. So yeah, it is also working. So this source code will be in the description. Okay, you can check it out. This is your const. Okay, I'll create a space. Okay, this is your const and this is your let. Instead of using where, I will be using let from now onwards. Okay, in my project as well, and in my javascript, in my react, in everywhere I will be using like let. Okay, instead of where. So you have to make a habit of using let instead of where. So that is about for today, and I will be meeting you in my next video.